At a glance, Dreame X60, Max Ultra Complete, and Roborock Saros 20 seem to offer almost identical features. Both are slim, both promise very high suction, and both come with fully automated docking stations. But once you start looking at how they move, how they detect dirt, and how they deal with obstacles, the differences become clearer. So today we are taking a closer look at how well those improvements actually work. Let's get started. First thing you notice with both models is how slim they are. Each one stays just under 8 centimeters in height, so both reach under beds, sofas, and cabinets that older robots simply could not access. Dreame uses a retractable LiDAR system, so when it maps your room, the sensor pops up, but when it needs to go under low furniture, it pulls down. That allows it to stay precise without sacrificing clearance. And Roborock takes a different approach. Saros 20 removes the traditional turret completely and relies on a low-profile vision system instead. So clearance stays consistent all the time, which feels more predictable if you have very tight spaces under furniture. Now let's talk suction, because both numbers look extreme on paper. Dreame is rated at 35,000 pascals, while Roborock goes slightly higher at 36,000 pascals. In practice, both are already well above what you need for hard floors. Where it starts to matter is carpet performance and hair pickup. Dreame pairs that suction with a dual counter-rotating brush system called Duo Brush 2.0, which helps reduce tangles and keeps debris moving toward the suction inlet. Roborock focuses more on raw airflow and brush speed, so it tends to perform very evenly across mixed floor types, though long hair may require occasional brush cleaning. This is one area where Saros 20 brings something unique. It uses an adaptive lifting chassis that can step over threshold up to 8.8 centimeters, even in double-layer transitions. That means if your home has raised door frames, bathroom steps, or layered rugs, Saros 20 is less likely to get stuck or need rescue. Dreame can also handle tall thresholds, but it relies more on wheel torque, rather than lifting the body, so its approach feels more traditional, even though it reaches similar height limits. Both robots include spinning dual mop pads and full auto wash docks. Each base station heats water up to 100 degrees Celsius, which is essentially boiling temperature. That helps dissolve grease and reduces bacteria before the next cleaning cycle. But here, Dreame adds proactive dirt detection with a small projector that illuminates the floor. This helps it spot transparent spills or fine dust that regular sensors might miss, so it can repeat passes automatically. Roborock focuses more on reach. Its FlexiArm side brush extends into toe kick areas as low as 2 centimeters, which helps clean under cabinets where robots usually leave a thin strip of dust. Navigation on both is driven by AI and advanced sensors, but implementation feels different. Dreame combines retractable LiDAR with dual AI cameras and claims recognition of over 280 object types, which helps it avoid cables, shoes, and small toys more reliably. On the other hand, Roborock relies on its Starsight 2.0 structured light vision system. This allows that turretless design while still maintaining strong obstacle detection. In practice, both are very good at avoiding common household clutter, but Dreame's system tends to map rooms slightly faster, while Roborock's strength is maintaining consistent height and clearance. Both units ship with full all-in-one stations that empty dust, wash mops, dry them, and refill water automatically. That means daily interaction stays minimal for either choice. Where Dreame pulls ahead slightly is dust storage. Its base station can hold debris for up to 100 days, while Roborock's dock is rated closer to 65 days depending on usage. Charging time is another small difference. Dreame reaches around 80% in roughly 80 minutes, while Saros 20 takes closer to 2.5 hours for a full charge cycle. From a smart home perspective, both support Matter, Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Home, so you can start or stop cleaning through almost any ecosystem without locking yourself into one platform. Well, Roborock adds a built-in voice assistant that responds to Hello Rocky commands, even without Wi-Fi. So if your network drops or you just want quick control, you can still talk directly to the robot. Dreame relies more on app or external smart speakers for voice control. Both sit in the premium range, so price naturally matters. Dreame X60 Max Ultra, complete lists around $1,699, though is now on sale, and you can get it for around $1,360 on Amazon. And meanwhile, Roborock Saros 20 starts at $1,599, with early offers around $1,389. So it usually comes in slightly cheaper. So the gap is not huge, but it still matters when you compare what each one prioritizes. Side by side, Dreame X60 Max Ultra complete leans more toward hygiene, smarter dirt detection, and longer gaps between maintenance. Saros 20 focuses more on movement, obstacle handling, and reaching tight or raised areas. So if your home has pets, regular spills, or you care a lot about mop sanitation, Dreame will likely feel more reassuring. And if your space has steps, thick thresholds, or tricky cabinet gaps, Roborock's design may save you more effort day to day. Both are expensive, so the better choice really depends on which daily problems you want the robot to handle for you. That was all. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons.